Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to reconcile bank accounts in QuickBooks. Reconciling your bank account isn't just a chore. It's a non-negotiable step to ensure your business finances are accurate, catch errors, and prevent fraud. Based on my experience, the best way is a consistent, monthly, step-by-step process. 1. Gather your documents. First, you need your bank statement. Whether it's paper or digital, you need the ending balance and the statement ending date. These two numbers are the absolute benchmark for the period you are reconciling. 2. Start the reconciliation in QuickBooks. I always start by navigating to the Reconcile feature in QuickBooks. Depending on your version, it's usually under the Accounting tab or the gear icon under Tools. Select the account. Choose the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. Enter the key data. This is where you plug in the numbers from your bank statement, the ending balance, and the ending date. Check the beginning balance. QuickBooks auto-populates the beginning balance. It must match the ending balance from your previous successful reconciliation. If it doesn't, you have an issue you need to fix before moving on. 3. Match and clear transactions. Once you hit Start Reconciling, QuickBooks shows you a list of all transactions entered for that account. Now, the comparison begins. I go line by line to my bank statement, and for every transaction that appears, I look for matching QuickBooks and check the box next to it. This marks the transaction as cleared. For deposits, make sure the amount and date match perfectly. For payments/withdrawals, check the amount and the payee. Handling the difference. As you check off items, watch the difference field at the top of the screen. Your goal is for this number to hit 0. 4. Resolve discrepancies. If the difference isn't 0 when you're done checking off every item that cleared the bank, you have a discrepancy. This is the most crucial part where accuracy saves you time later. Timing differences. If a check or deposit in QuickBooks hasn't cleared the bank yet, it's an outstanding item. Leave it unchecked. It will clear in the next month's reconciliation. Missing transactions. Look for items on your bank statement, like bank service fees or interest earned, that are missing from QuickBooks and enter them immediately. Errors. If you find amount or date is wrong in QuickBooks, click on the transaction, edit, and correct it. I keep reviewing and correcting until that difference field is $0. 5. Finish and review the report. When the difference is 0, select Finish Now. QuickBooks confirms the reconciliation is complete. You should always run and save the reconciliation report. This report is your audit trail. It shows the beginning and ending balance and all cleared and uncleared transactions. It's the proof that your books are accurate for that period. Doing this every month makes the process fast, easy, and reliable. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.